Jonathan.
Yeah?
I found an insect in our bed.
You found an insect in our bed?
Yeah. I got... Ooh, I'm getting the shivers.
Whose side of the bed was it on?
Mine. I got out.
Yeah?
And then I went to do something and I came back and there was like a thing.
Good morning and welcome to the 28th best day of the 4th month of the best year of your life. And guess whose birthday it is today, guys? Guys, whose birthday is it today? Who? Albie. Happy birthday to Albie. Everybody, I know you want to give him birthday kisses. Huh? How old is Albie today? 8, Albie. Oh my goodness. Emilia, Albie's 8 today. Kids are watching Sing for breakfast. They're very excited. Well, happy birthday. Tio's singing you happy birthday, Albie. They're all... Hello there. Oh, the acne's calmed down a little bit.
Do you think?
Well, it's still all there, but it's not like red or anything. It looks like little bumbles now. You know. Whoa. It's actually good. We've never actually watched the film. We've just watched all the bits on YouTube. How are we getting along, guys? Now. What's going on here?
Tina's trying to protect him.
Her little lips, yeah.
It's one lip.
And one lip. She's having breakfast, Eduardo. We're just waiting for Emilia, and then we'll go.
What do you do?
What?
I'm a spider.
Are you a spider?
A spider. Ooh.
Right. The school run commences.
So Alessia and I are hanging out. She didn't want to sleep this morning. She wants to be awake right now. Don't you? She was basically on the boob pretty much all night, I think. I mean, not really. She did like drop off a few times, but she certainly likes to eat at the moment. So I definitely think she's going through something because I just feel like my boobs are in use like all the time. And then she's drinking a lot more from her bottles as well. Because obviously I don't really know how much she takes from my boobs every time because there's no way of like measuring it or anything. But when she takes a bottle, I'm noticing that the smaller, they're like 5-ounce Tommy Tippy ones are too small now. Like she wants more. So I'm having to express more, which is annoying because I just hate expressing. But I do like having a store of milk in case we have to do something or go somewhere. Or in case Jonathan has to take her for some reason or another, you know, like it just gives me a bit more freedom. And I think Jonathan's right. I think her baby acne has calmed down a little bit, or at least it looks like it. Poor thing. I feel so bad for her. Even though they say, anywhere I've read, they say that it doesn't bother the baby at all. So not to worry and that it will just clear up on its own. Apparently it's from hormones from like from after the pregnancy, like leftover from after the pregnancy. It's so weird. You know what? You're still really cute. You're still really cute. Hmm? What's wrong? I think we need to cut your fingernails. They're getting a bit long. Can you give me a smile? Can you give mommy a smile? Oh, anytime I rub her feet, she does it. I just rubbed her feet there and she gave a smile. I think she really likes that. Who's that, Alessia? Who's that? Cutie. Little cutie. Little cutie. Hi. Hello, blue eyes. Hello. Hello. Oh, it's not working anymore. I was rubbing her foot to see if it would make a difference. She does seem to like that though. It makes her smile. Makes you smile. You were smiling at me last night again. In the dark. You were. It was really cute. I really appreciated that little smile.
I'm on a train. I haven't been on a train in a while. I got Izzy here as my train friend. Not Anna though. We're not having a baby checkup. I know we're going next week. I think Alessia's going to be 6 weeks old next week.
Oh, no way.
Or the week after.
So what, you take her in to get checked up?
Yeah, you take, well, it's kind of like, you go back to the OB.
Right.
And then they just kind of, I don't know what they do. They just check everything's cool.
Wait.
Well, yeah, that's mad. And then we're going to go to Natural Kitchen for one last hurrah. Oh, we're in the tunnel. I miss Natural Kitchen. How far away? Could we go to Natural Kitchen? Anyway, I'm going in for, you know, the stupid project that I'm not allowed to tell you about. Well, guys, I think we're going to be announcing that next week. But we're having one final kind of, not a final, we're having a meeting about it today. And it's Albie's birthday. How cool is that? I should have brought him with me. I should have brought him to town with me. He would have really appreciated. He would have loved it.
Yeah.
No, he wouldn't. He would have hated it. He would have barked at everybody. Alright, next train. Oh no. It's a squishy situation. Hold on tight.
You're going to squish on and you're going to risk it?
Yeah. There's nothing to risk. Uh-oh. Closing doors. Uh-oh. Guys, we're the only people. We're in an abandoned subway station.
There's a train coming.
There's a train coming in the abandoned subway station, guys. Let's go down this way. Wait, is this right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, guys. It's an abandoned subway station. There's nobody here. This is the only remembrance of humanity that remains. Okay, we'll just go on here. There's nobody else here, guys. It's an abandoned station in central London. What's even going on?
This is Alessia's picture, and it's got a little heart here.
Wow.
So let's put it here. I'm reading Alessia book.
You were reading Alessia book. That was really nice of you.
And look, she's making a potion.
I see that.
I see the horse.
Wow.
That's the horse.
Mm-hmm.
And let's put it on the night. There's all of them.
Thank you.
This is for Alessia.
Again?
Yeah.
I thought some of them were for me.
And
Oh wow.
this is for you.
Thank you. I like how you've written your name every time. It's very good.
And this is no. These are missing. And two fairies.
There's a lot of things going on right now.
So the big one is for you.
Ooh.
Actually,
Okay. Yeah.
this one is for Alessia.
Okay.
And this one is for you.
Oh, lovely. Thank you.
We don't know where all two fairies on the same day. Don't know where all of the books are. Reading this to Alessia when she goes to sleep.
Oh.
And then I read my book.
Yes.
Last time I read Alessia book.
You did.
And there's the mummy one. That's the mummy teacher. And the daddy teacher.
Mm-hmm.
The name. So this is the name.
Okay.
Don't see my back. My back.
Okay. Lovely.
I want to go to my hotel.
You want to go to your hotel?
No.
What hotel?
So we just go with. This is just an accident. The owl. This is just an accident.
Oh, an
This
accident.
is actually correct.
Oh, that one in Galway?
Yeah. But this is actually the fairy.
Yeah.
And we want to see the owls.
The owls, yeah.
Yeah, the naughty one is the naughty one. Then we have to hold the glove with.
Yeah.
Lovely,
Lovely, Emilia.
Here's her fairy face, and here's the kiss. Here's
Oh, it's a tooth fairy.
the accident.
Mm-hmm.
But here's the name.
Okay.
And now we're going to say, this is naughty, stop!
Now you need to go and do your homework because you have to go to ballet
Something
soon.
for her, and this is all for you.
Thank you, Emilia.
Now I'm going to put them. Amelia, I'm killed.
You're killed.
Yeah,
You killed.
yeah.
Oh my goodness, the cushions. The cushions, Eduardo. The cushions. What are we going to do about those cushions? Hmm? Those cushions. What should we do about those cushions? Oh, Mr. Chubby. Mr. Chubby Cheeks.
Yeah,
Oh, number 3. Number 3. Baby number 2. 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 Are you baby number 2? Yeah. Say yeah.
I'm 3.
I know, but you're baby number 2. And she's baby number 3. And Emilia's baby number 1.
No.
That's how it works. That's how it works. That's how it works. That's how it works. Ew.
Oh. I tried to do a little twirl and it didn't work. Why isn't it working?
Is it stuck at the top?
No.
Oh, at the bottom. You're at the bottom.
Oh.
Spin the other way.
It was worth it. Anyway, we're here. Oh look, so Gleam offered an Australia office. So Francesca said that she's gonna bring us to Australia. So tweet Francesca.
That's what people have been tweeting me.
I know.
They said they opened an office in Australia.
Yeah.
Now the SACCONEJOLYs are coming.
We have to.
Well, it's up to you.
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
It's up to you. Who here thinks we should go to Australia?
Oh yeah.
Maddie does. Who's gonna go visit the Australia office?
I think we should have the next party there.
Right? Yeah. Oh my goodness, Anna's gonna be so jealous she's not on this train. Look at that doggy. It's like one of those huskies. Oh my god, how much fun would that be to get cuddles like that from a big doggy? I made it home, and look what I made it home too. They're so cute. Huh? She's so cute. And the baby too. Huh? See what I did there? But she's 80. That's a comfy boob for sleeping on. Are you gonna make everyone is yawning now? Leave a comment if you've just yawned. Anyway, I haven't even started editing the vlog, so I must go. Guys, do you remember the other day I showed you guys my perfume collection and my stuff, right? So I just got a big box, just came in from Armani, Giorgio Armani, right? And they sent me, it was so cool. So it's just like, hey, dear John, delighted to enclose the new Giorgio Armani code Corona launching the 26th of April. But look at this, just as I was showing that the other day, they just sent me a new one, like, I don't know the other ones. What do they smell like? Oh, look at that, Colonia. Colonia? Colonia. What does that say?
Colonia?
No, underneath it. Armani code.
Colonia.
Colonia, yeah, mocking me. Perfumo.
Thought you couldn't read cologne.
Oh yeah. What's it smell like? Let's find out. But like, oh my goodness, that is so cool. And look, they give me a towel as well. I am very easily swayed. Okay, brands, send me towels. That's all it takes. I love you forever. Oh, this is so cool. I never get things. Oh.
Caroline.
The whole family's on the bed, and the little one said,
Roll over. Roll over.
roll over. What? You got a show at ballet today? Emilia was at ballet today. Oh!
And I've got a nice pretty dress to go on the show on the stage.
Did you know about the show on the stage?
Yeah.
Oh.
And I put
A new tutu? You need a new tutu. Emilia is doing her first ballet show soon. What?
Today when I've got
Where's your bow gone?
the day when I go on the stage, so I know which one.
Oh,
Cool.
careful of the baby.
Careful of the baby. Oh, anyway. Oh, it's the end of the vlog and you know it.
Jonathan.
Yeah?
I found an insect in our bed.
You found an insect in our bed?
Yeah. I'm getting the shivers even.
Whose side of the bed was it on?
Mine. I got out.
Yeah?
And then I went to do something and I came back and there was like a thing.
What kind of thing?
I smushed it over there.
Was there a spider in Emilia's bed?
No, it wasn't a spider. It was like a centipede
Daddy, get
type.
me off.
Oh my god.
A
Like,
centipede?
what if it was a bed bug?
What was the bed? What does the bed bug look like? Oh, come over this side. Come over to Daddy's side. Yeah, what does the bed bug look like?
I smushed it over there.
Was it actually in the bed, crawling around?
Yeah. I like freaked out and flipped it out and then I...
Blast off!
But that it might be a bed bug.
No. Why would there be one bed? I think bed bugs are like tiny little things. What?
Let me see. Let me Google it.
I can't. Mommy's gonna Google bed bugs. Alright, anyway, guys. Let us go and we will start the weekend. What does the weekend mean?
Weekend means iPad day. Look at me jump. Wait.
Eduardo,
Emilia.
Eduardo, big jump to end the vlog. Big jump to end the vlog.
I'm gonna do a
Woo!
big jump for the end of the vlog.
You want to do one? Okay, this is, you have to do the weekend begins. You both have to jump together at the same time. Wait for Eduardo. Okay, now turn. Okay, now you both say, the weekend begins, and jump off the bed. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh
Weekend
my God.
Weekend What's it?
Yo, go on, show us the bed bug.
Again.
Oh! Is that what it looked like?
No,
Can I see?
You don't want to see, Eduardo. It looks like cockroaches or something. Alright. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you tomorrow.